तो last video में I was talking about empathy, how you can use empathy to find problem, and empathy can actually give you substantial problem कि ये problem space है जो जिसका result आएगा तो somebody is going to get some help out of it. So that's how you create a substantial solution using empathy. तो पहला step तुम्हारा is about finding problem. Okay, I will talk about observation also to find problems, but right now let's talk about solution. So what, as an engineer, I used to do, I used to go from problem to solution. But then after becoming a designer, what I started doing, to find a problem, I had to empathize with something. But after finding problem, what is next? Then came the process. Now the problem space is there. I wanted to understand the problem space more. Example लेते हैं. मुझे हिमाचल में एक जगह है जहाँ पे उनका एक चूल्हा बोलते हैं, राइट, एक फर्नेस होती है, उस पर वो खाना बना सकते हैं और घर भी गर्म करके रख सकते हैं. तो देन टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक द प्रॉब्लम वाज, मेरे घर पे आई हैड टू यूज़ हीटर, आई हैड टू फाइंड समथिंग विच इज़ मोर सस्टेनेबल एंड एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग, एट द सेम टाइम warm, more natural, rustic. So I'm like, let's do my research. So I started looking for something which was around this a problem space, and I found out Himachal में एक stove होता है उनका, right, while traveling. अब then उस stove की पूरी process को समझा कैसे वो work करता है, और it was a beautiful process. And then process को समझ के I'm like, how can I bring that essence in my house? Okay, then I started creating a solution which can be implemented in my house. So can you understand, I didn't directly jump from problem to solution. Problem to solution, it's a journey, and the research, and when I'm coming back on my desk and putting the research out there, documenting it, and then finding loopholes and what fits in my scenario, because I'm empathizing with myself, then the solution I'm coming up with, that's the process. That's the process I'm talking about. So that's how you can actually look for a problem by empathizing, then immersing yourself into that problem space. And after immersing yourself in that problem space, you can understand that. You have to understand it through research, through observation, by looking at it, by going there, hands-on experience, by working on it, by experiencing it. अब मैं उस चूल्हे के सामने हाथ गर्म कर रहा हूँ, राइट, खाना बना रहा हूँ बैठ के उसके सामने. तो आई एम देयर इन हिमाचल, आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द लोकल कल्चर रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड दैट चूल्हा इन विंटर्स. सच अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस इट वाज. एंड देन वंस आई केम बैक, वाओ, आई एम लाइक, लेट्स using this data, let's build a solution. And then the entire process gave me that fruit which I was looking for. So that's how you go towards solution. You just directly do not jump towards solution, right? Next video I will talk about observation, why observation is important and how it can help you as a designer in your journey, as an aspirant as well.